Hello and welcome back. Today we've got another £250 worth of 50p's we're going to have a hunt through, looking for the commemorative ones, the ones more than face value, but ideally we want some of the ones we haven't had already. So all we're missing is Kew Gardens, the ultimate coin to find in circulation, and Olympic wrestling. But as I'm sure you will know, the Sherlock Holmes is in circulation and being found, so you never know. We'll probably find that before we find the Kew Gardens. So fingers crossed we'll get something new today. But let's get into this bag. So the first bag I'll open in real time and I'll show you what we're looking for. We've got a shield there, which we'll look for the year 2009, 10, 11 and 16, which are not intended for circulation. 2017 is a low minted year as well, so keep an eye out for that too. There's our first commemorative, Tom Kitten in all his creepy-eyed glory. My favourite from the 2017 set, to be fair. And that one's Britannia, which we'll keep an eye out for the year 2008, which was a low minted year. The 2017 Peter Rabbit, one of the most common ones that we find. We've got a counter tracking how many of them we find as well, so we'll add that to the counter. It's that, Benjamin Bunny and Dictionary. So good start, we found two common ones though, but at least nice to find. Ah, there we go, there's our first one over face value, that's good. The UK's entry into the EEC, a very nice find, slightly over face value too, which is always nice. That's a shiny one, what's that? It's 2017. Is it going to be an Isaac Newton? Nope. It's a Peter Rabbit. Oh well. There we go. So what we'll do now, we'll just speed up until we find anything. We've got public libraries there. It's a common one. And there's Jeremy Fisher. So just Benjamin Bunny to finish the 2017 set now. Ooh! Isaac Newton, my favourite 50p. Isn't that just a stunner? Holy Toledo. Always tough to find one of them. Victoria across the medals there. See it quite a lot. Got Roger Bannister there. Another one we see a lot of. Victoria across the medals again. We got Tom Kitten there. Ooh, Mrs. Tittlemouse. She's very cute. One of my favourites from the 2018 set. To be fair, I like all the 2018 ones. Lovely. Oh, I see a Benjamin Britten. And Benjamin Britten's slightly more than face value now. Not my favourite because it's a bit busy. It's difficult to read in the wrong light, but there we go. Ooh, our first Olympic. This is turning into a really good hunt. Olympic archery. Very nice. And a Christopher Ironside, another common one. We've got Battle of Britain there. Just look at this last one. Pop these out of the way. So on Battle of Britain on the 50p's and Battle of Britain alone, you can find two mint marks. So the one that's JC, the initials of the artist Jodie Clark, was put into circulation, whereas the one with the initials IRB, Ian Rank Broadley, was only put in the album sets. You can see just there, it's a JC. We've never found an IRB in a video, but we'll keep on hunting because just like we found a couple of the NIFC shields, you never know when we may find a Battle of Britain NIFC at some point. There's another Jeremy Fisher. We've got a People's Act there from 2018. We still haven't had vintage figures at the point of recording this video, but I reckon that's going to be a common one. And a Paddington at the Palace. Another very cool design from 2018. There's another Tom Kitten. We've had no Benjamin Bunnies yet. How weird is that? Our first dictionary for the counter. Mrs. Tiggerwinkle there from 2016. And another dictionary. Roger Bannister. Ooh, another Paddington at the Palace. Lovely. Ooh, we got 2 there. Another dictionary for the counter. And Paddington at the station. Lovely. Ooh, another good one. Suffragettes. Very nice. Found one recently as well, actually. We don't normally see it too often. Stunning. And a Paddington at the Palace again. 2017 Peter Rabbit. God, this is a busy bag, isn't it? Christopher Ironside again. Ooh, another Olympic. Not very nice, but still Olympic. Tennis. Holy Toledo. What a hunt we're having. Paddington at the station again. Another Battle of Britain. What mint mark are we going to get though? Come on, IRB. Nope, another JC. All of a sudden, we're on the last bag. Well, we have had an exceptional hunt. 2 Olympics, Isaac Newton, suffragettes, a couple of the other more than face values. Holy Toledo. Well, if you made it this far in the video, you might be interested to know I've got a Discord server. You can click the link down in the description to join. It's a great place to come and contact me. Alternatively, I am on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Again, all of the links to those various social media outlets are down in the description, and there is the PO box which you can write to, and everything that gets sent to the PO box gets opened in a PO box video, normally on a Thursday if I've if I've been able to make the video. But we are coming swiftly to an end, so I'm gonna have a look at the coins off to the side and see if we've got any of the key dates. So we did get a couple of finds with the 2008. So we got 1, 2, 3 2008 Britannias and 1 2017 Shield, which is very cool. These coins felt exceptionally dirty. My fingers feel even dirtier than they usually are. But star pull, I'm going to have to, although it might be an Olympic, go with that Isaac Newton because I love finding this coin. So all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for hopefully another cracking hunt like this. Bye.